Today we're going to walk through one of the hidden gems in scenario analysis, and that is our scenario recipes tab. When we hop into scenario analysis, you could do a whole host of different projections in here for clients, QCDs, Roth conversions, etc. But sometimes you might not know where to start. And so we have this tab over here on the right-hand side of your screen called scenario recipes. We can open this up and hit this drop-down bar. When we hit the drop-down bar, it's going to give us a list of all the different kinds of scenarios that people can run in scenario analysis. But once we click into one of them, capital gains, for example, it's going to walk us through how we actually would build this out for our client in scenario analysis. This is really helpful just to get started in the tool. If you have some ideas on some different planning opportunities you want to try out for your client, you're welcome to come through scenario recipes, say, hey, I want to see how I'd model a Roth conversion. Click on that scenario, and it will walk you through step by step. So this is really helpful in getting that kickstart into scenario analysis for your clients.